How to share PowerPoint presentation on WhatsApp in mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can share PowerPoint presentation on WhatsApp in mobile. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, but first things first, you'll have to save your PowerPoint presentation as a document on your phone. Now, first you want to go ahead and download the PowerPoint presentation or save the PowerPoint presentation to your phone storage as a file. Once you have done so, you want to open up WhatsApp and head over to the chat that you wish to send the PPT file to. Now here at the bottom of the screen, beside the camera icon, you can see the other icon there. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you can see the document option. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on document, now you can tap on browse documents and browse to your phone and select the particular PowerPoint presentation file that you downloaded to your phone. You can simply tap on it, and then you can simply tap on send option and it'll be sent. Now in here I'm sending a video as a file, but you'll be able to send PowerPoint presentation this way. So this way you can share the PowerPoint presentation on WhatsApp and mobile. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.